Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome back to the stage, Darryl Lovegrove.
It's about never giving up and the joy and despair that comes with that. It's about resilience, and that's what I've got to share with you today. As an actor, you've got to have a tough skin. But I'm going to keep turning up, even though I know most of the time I will not be cast. But then I got a break.
Why should you want to know? Don't you mind about the future?
Since I was 5 years old, I thought my name was Jesus. It seemed like every time Dad saw me, he'd say, "Jesus, Darryl!" You see, corporate entertainment had become tired and boring. The Three Waiters came along and we turned it on its head with one of the most disruptive and innovative shows the events industry has ever seen. Pour the drinks, step back and let him have it. The Phantom of the Opera is there inside your mind. And then walk away. Dressing up opera singers as waiters, culminating in a perfect combination of things. Magic.
What a fantastic presentation and a fantastic story.
In rock and roll and in opera, it's the high notes that get you noticed. Those high notes are your successes, the things that people notice you for, that people appreciate you for. If you were to Google world's most popular sing-along song, most search engines would tell you it's Bon Jovi's Living on a Prayer. So I know you all know it, and if you don't, you need to get out a little bit more. Take a seat. Unbelievable. There was Pavarotti belting out those high Cs. He took a risk. What if it didn't happen for him? What if his voice failed him? What if... If we're going to worry about what ifs, we ain't never going to hit any high notes. When I was a superstar, I knew I wanted to be a performer who made a living as an entertainer. Clear, simple purpose. You might be the most talented person in the world and have the best ideas, but if you don't take action, you will achieve nothing. That's what can happen. You start with a purpose or a vision. You be brave and make a start. You take action and build momentum. And if you're able to avoid the curveballs that are going to be thrown at you along the way, if you have the resilience to persevere, to never give up, not only do you gain that success, you gain self-belief. And self-belief is the ultimate high note. Peak performance is not one act. It's not hitting one high note. It is hitting that high note time and time again. The time has come. Are you ready?
Let's hear it for Darryl Lovegrove. I just want to say one thing. Have you ever been to a business seminar like that?